Imagine knowing what your customers, industry, or even competitors will do before it happens. That is the power of artificial intelligence. Today, I am showing you how AI is helping entrepreneurs, investors, and companies predict the future and how you can leverage it to dominate your market. You see, AI is not just about automation, it is about foresight. With access to massive data sets, machine learning models can spot patterns and anomalies humans just can't see. Think of AI as a 24/7 analyst, processing billions of data points in seconds from market news, economic indicators, customer behavior, to even social media sentiment. A key insight here is while humans rely on instinct and experience, AI relies on pattern recognition, probability, and predictive analytics. Let's break down how companies are using AI to stay ahead. First, customer trends in retail. That is predicting buying patterns using AI from POS data and online behavior. Netflix and Spotify predicting content demand before it peaks. Second, market trends. That is hedge funds using natural language processing to scan news and filings for early signals. Retail investors, platforms like Atom Finance and Coinfin use AI to offer predictive indicators. 3. Operational forecasting. That is supply chains using AI to predict the delays and adjust logistics in real time. Manufacturing. AI-driven predictive maintenance which prevents costly downtimes. Here is how you can start leveraging AI without being a data scientist, with some tools being ChatGPT and Claude AI, which is used for market sentiment analysis and news summarization. Google Trends plus Bard AI plugins to forecast industry attention over time. Kaggle or Hugging Face models for open source AI models for time series forecasting. Monkey Learn AI tools for customer sentiment and social media trend analysis. A bonus here is using AutoML tools like Google Cloud AutoML or Azure ML to build predictive models on your own without coding. Let's look at real life use cases, that is mini case studies. Fashion brand predicts seasonal demand, that is AI analyze 5 years of sales, social trends, weather data, which increased Q4 sales by 23%. Real estate funds predict property value trends, that is using AI to analyze migration patterns, inflation forecast, and policy news, which avoided a major downturn in 2023. Example is also retail investor beating the market, here using ChatGPT plugins plus technical analysis bots to spot breakout stocks with 72% wins in swing trades. Let's see how to think like an AI-enabled entrepreneur or investor. Here is the mindset shift. Don't guess, forecast. Don't react, predict. Don't get blindsided. Let AI read the signals for you. Data is the new oil, but AI is the refinery. The winners of the next decade will be those who can harness predictive intelligence. Your next steps? Well, if you are serious about investing, launching a business, or leading a team into the future, AI isn't optional. It is your edge, your scout, and your competitive weapon. Start by identifying the trends that matter to your business. Use AI to track, measure, and predict them before they peak. Then act with speed, because in the world of AI, the first mover gets the market. If this helped you to think clearer about AI and trends, smash the subscribe and drop a comment telling me how you plan to use AI for prediction. Let's future-proof your business together.